Well, Ben, what about privacy and security? As technology evolves, what's likely to be the story there?
Privacy, Mike, it's one of those very difficult topics to talk about. I'll either get really in trouble or there'll be supporters. There's no middle ground. Let's talk about the reality of privacy. When you signed up for your cable service, when you signed up for your cell service, you essentially legally signed away part of your privacy. So the reality and the legal aspects are fairly clear. We don't have a lot of it. Now, in terms of the privacy we want, it's really in the areas of such areas as where are we spending? What are we spending it on? How am I spending? What are the payment methods we've got? Again, if we take the strict way of viewing this, the fact that you're using a credit card, the fact that you're buying from a particular company using your loyalty card means that you've given some of that away. So from a privacy perspective, this gets into a massive war about what should be kept and what shouldn't be kept. It is a hard question to answer, and I'm going to give you very fuzzy answers as a result. Mike, as far as I'm concerned, I would rather see advertisements and offers that are pertinent and relevant to who I am than something that's way far-fetched. In terms of security, we've got to break down that concept a little bit. Security used to be build a wall, build a fence, keep people out. Now, what the whole concept of security is don't let people out. So keeping the people in and keeping people out are the traditional forms of security. We have a problem here because the people inside the organizations travel out. And we end up with leakages of information that we don't want to leak. Whether it's a national security issue like an Edward Snowden, or whether it's something private within the company, either way, we're addressing some of those problems incorrectly. The way we should be addressing it is looking at the data itself and having the data control the security. It's no longer about building a fence, building a wall, keeping people in, keeping people out. It's about taking the data that you have and ensuring that's tagged properly for the people who are allowed to access that data.